Hello and welcome to another Tablescape Tuesday hosted by Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Okay, my tablescape is, it was taken when we were on vacation in Cape Cod, Massachusetts. So it's got a little bit of a nautical theme, mainly mermaids. Now, I have a passion for fairies and mermaids. So when I seen that they had both, I wanted to incorporate them into the tablescape. So right now I have this bowl that's just full of seashells. It's a wooden bowl. And here is one of the mermaids. It is a solar powered mermaid, so the little ball there will light up. But I just think that is so pretty. So again, with the wine glasses, and it's a matching dinner set. So it has the matching plate, the matching cup, and the matching dessert plate. And this beautiful little orb that has sand and seashells inside it. Isn't that pretty? And then this beautiful sugar bowl. It looks to be stainless steel. And here is the other mermaid. Let's see if you can get a good look at her face. She's beautiful. And there is another solar ball. And my wine glass and the greenish blue setting. I think it's just really pretty. So I'm going to take you around the table and let you have a closer look. Now be sure to check out the playlist. Thank you all again for watching. Enjoy.